Hello children, welcome to the Smart TV channel. Today I am discussing from class 9 of motion chapter. Today I will discuss about the terms of speed. Firstly, I will tell you the terms meanings of the speed. Generally you have saw if a car is running low, then we say that the speed of the car is slow. And the car is running fast, then we say that the car is speed of the car is high. Thus, the speed of the car give us an idea how the speed of the body is high or low. Now we can define the speed as here speed of the body is the distance covered by per unit time. This is the speed of the definition. Okay. Now, if a body covered the distance in time t, then the speed of the body is as speed equal distance upon time. Speed of the body is calculated by this formula, total distance. Okay. Now next unit of speed is, so here distance. So write here the distance, unit of distance is meter and unit of time is second. So also write m as -1. Both of these are the unit of the speed. So now an instrument which measure by the speed of the body is called speedometer, and the distance traveled by the body is measured by another instrument called odometer. So right here firstly speedometer and device instrument, measure the speed. Of any body. And the next one, odometer. An instrument measure the distance traveled by. Now once time speedometer, an instrument which is used to measure the speed of anybody, and odometer, an instrument which is used to measure distance traveled by anybody, which is both of these instruments is installed in the running vehicles.